spins, and we'll do the turning sweetheart. There you go. Okay, everybody ready? All right, swing, stop and go. Triple step, rock, step. Triple step, rock, step. Triple step behind if you like, or in front. Close it or an underarm, whatever you choose. Okay, now we're going to do the patty cake. Rock, step, rock. Triple step, side rock, patty cake, and rock. Triple step, side rock, patty cake, and rock. Close it up. Solo spins. Triple step, here we go. Triple step, one, spin. Triple step and rock. Triple step, one, spin. Triple step and rock. Close it up. Turning sweetheart. Underarm, two hands. Triple step, 1, 2. Triple step and rock. Triple step, 1, 2. Triple step and rock. And close it up and give her a hand. Give yourself a hand.